Hello everyone. Today I want to show you how to draw a line with angle. Before start, make sure to subscribe my channel to see my next video. Let's start. Bring a line. First, specify first point. After that, give it a dimension, for example 10. Now, press tab on the keyboard. After that, you can give it an angle. For example, angle 60. Press enter. Let's check. As you see, we have an angle 60. Let's do it again. Make a line, specify first point, and give it a dimension, for example 10. After that, press tab on the keyboard. You see, from 0 to 180 counterclockwise, the direction of angle counterclockwise, but below 0 automatically change to clockwise. You see, for example, let's make an angle by this direction, angle 25. Press enter. Let's check. You see, 25. Thanks for watching.